Hey second grade, Mr. Schultz here, back again with another math video. Today, we will be continuing our learning as we regroup numbers. I have a new tool for you to add to your math toolbox called the 10 house. Now, let's get started. The first addition equation we have today is 18 plus 7. Now, before we start doing any drawing, let's talk about this house. This is called the 10 house. Do you have any idea why? We call this the 10 house because it's a house and it's in the tens place. Clever, I know. We're going to use this special house to collect any tens that we create when we are regrouping our ones. Okay, let's start with our ones column. We have 8 plus 7. Now, if you're able to solve 8 plus 7 in your head, that's great. You can just write your answer off to the side over here. If not, I have this large box for you to show your work in. I'm going to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now I'm going to draw 7 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As I'm looking at all of my circles, I think I could probably make a 10. What do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a 10 right there. I'm going to group this up. And now I'm going to count the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so all together I have a 10 and a 5. That makes 15. So 8 plus 7 is 15. Now, what is this 15 made up of? 15 is made up of a 10 and 5 ones. But can I have a 10 in the ones place? I cannot. So I need to put him over in the 10 house, like this. Now I can take my 5 ones and put them in the ones place. Over here, I have 110 plus 110. What does that make? 2 tens. So I'm going to put a 2 in the tens place. 18 plus 7 equals 25. That was fun. Let's do another one. This addition equation says 15 plus 8. Let's start with our ones column. We have 5 plus 8. If you're able to solve 5 plus 8 in your head, that's great. You can write your answer off to the side over here. If not, do not be afraid to draw circles in that box. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, bad circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to draw 8 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As I'm looking at all of my circles, I think that I could probably make a 10. What do you think? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a 10. Now let's count the rest. 1, 2, 3. I have a 10 and a 3. That makes 13. So 5 plus 8 is 13. What is 13 made up of? A 10 and 3 ones. But can I have a 10 down here in the ones place? I cannot. So I'm going to take my 10 and I'm going to put him over here in the 10 house. Now I have 3 ones left over and I'm going to put them down here in the ones place. Now I can add my 110 plus 110. How much does that equal? 2 tens. So I'm going to write a 2 in the tens place. 15 plus 8 equals 23. Awesome sauce. Let's do another. This addition equation says 14 plus 7. Let's start with our ones column. If you're able to solve 4 plus 7 in your head, that's awesome. You can write your answer off to the side over here. If not, you can draw circles just like me. I'm going to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to draw 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As I'm now looking at all of my circles, I think I could probably make a 10. What do you think? Let's count them and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I definitely have a 10. Now let's count the rest. 1. I have 1 10 and 1 1. So that makes 11. 4 plus 7 is 11. What makes up 11? A 10 and a 1. Can I have a 10 down here in the ones place? I cannot. So I need to take that 10 and put him in the 10 house. Just like that. Now that I've done that, I can take my 1 and put the 1 in the ones place. Now I can add my 10s. 1 10 plus 1 10 equals 2 10s. So I'm going to write a 2 in the tens place. 14 plus 7 equals 21. Fantastic. Let's do one more. This addition equation says 13 plus 9. Let's start with our ones column. We have 3 plus 9. If you're able to solve 3 plus 9 in your head, that's awesome. You can write your answer off to the side over here. If not, don't worry. You'll be able to do mental math too if you just keep practicing. For now, you can draw circles like me. I'm going to draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to draw 9 more circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As I am looking at all of my circles, I think I could probably make a 10. What do you think? Let's count them and find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, here's a 10 right here. Now let's count the rest. 1, 2. It looks like I have a 10 and 2 1s. A 10 and 2 1s makes 12. What is 12 made up of? A 10 and 2 1s. Can I have a 10 down here in the ones place? I cannot. So what do I need to do with them? I need to take this 10 and put him over here in the 10 house. And now I can take my 2 1s and put them in the ones place. Now let's add our 10s. 1 10 plus 1 10 equals 2 10s. So I'm going to write a 2 in the 10s place. 13 plus 9 equals 22. Super work, everyone. I'm proud of you for hanging in there with me. All right, guys, that wraps it up for today's video where we learned to regroup numbers using a 10 house. I hope you paid real close attention to this video as it is now time to do your homework, where you will be practicing your regrouping skills. Remember that this video and all my other math videos are available for you to view at any time. The more times you watch these videos, the smarter you're going to become. And before you know it, you'll be a master mathematician. That's all for now. It's time to do your homework. I'll see you next time. Bye.